What if sound could cause pain? This is phonophobia, an intense fear. Not to be confused with misophonia. Phonophobia involves irrational panic. Imagine flinching at a balloon pop. It's not just a startle reflex. The brain sees loud sounds as a threat. The body braces for impact. This condition can stem from trauma. A heightened startle reflex is common. Every unexpected sound feels like danger. Phonophobia can lead to avoidance behaviors. They might isolate themselves from noisy areas. In severe cases, it can be debilitating. Therapy can help manage phonophobia. Understanding the condition is key. With the right support, freedom is possible. Phonophobia is real, and it's life-altering. Don't let fear control your life. Learn more about phonophobia's impact